In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to set up your check printer. By the end, you'll have your printer aligned so your checks come out clean, professional, and ready to use. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the top left and click New. From the options that appear, select Print Checks. If this is your first time printing checks, QuickBooks will take you through the print check setup. This guided flow is designed to help you align your printer with your specific check stock, so everything lands exactly where it should. You'll begin by choosing the type of checks you use. QuickBooks supports two common formats, voucher and standard. Voucher checks typically have one check with one or two stubs on the page, while standard checks are usually 3 checks per page with minimal stubs. Pick the style that matches the check stock you purchase from your supplier or bank, since alignment depends on this choice. Next, load a blank sheet of paper into your printer. Not your actual checks yet, just plain paper. This saves your check stock while you fine-tune the alignment. Make sure your printer is on, connected, and has the correct tray selected. If your browser asks for permission to open a print window, allow it. Now, click View Preview and Print Sample. When the preview appears, click Print to produce a test sample on that blank paper. In your print dialog, use actual size or 100% scale and avoid fit to page or shrink to fit, since those options can throw off alignment. With the test sample printed, place it on top of a page of your real checks. Hold both pages up to a light source so you can see the printed fields through the check stock. Look closely at the date, payee, amount in numbers, amount in words, and address lines. They should sit neatly inside the boxes on your checks without drifting into borders or blank spaces. If everything lines up, click I'm finished with the setup. That confirms your settings, and you're ready to print checks whenever you need. If things are off, click Continue with Setup. QuickBooks will walk you through additional alignment steps so you can nudge the print position up, down, left, or right until it matches your check layout. That's all there is to it. Once you've completed the setup, your check printing should be consistent and reliable. Keep your check style and printer settings the same for best results, and you'll be good to go every time you print.